Wholesale2b is a popular e-commerce platform used by successful dropshippers, and in this video, I'm going to review it across several different categories, including pricing, integration with other platforms like Shopify, automation features, and so much more. Keep in mind that if you use the wrong platform, that can waste a lot of time and money for your business. So watch all the way to the end so I can help you decide if Wholesale2b is right for you. Now, for your convenience, I've included the link to Wholesale2b in the description of this video so you can check it out. And let's talk about product sourcing and suppliers. Wholesale2b connects users with a vast network of suppliers, providing access to over 1 million products across a wide variety of categories. So actually 1.5 million products are you can actually access at this time that I'm recording this video, and they're in all sorts of different categories like electronics, beauty products, apparel, home goods, and more. They focus on reliable and vetted distributors and suppliers to ensure the product quality and availability. Every single supplier goes through their rigorous vetting process to make sure that they meet Wholesale2b standards for quality and reliability, and this is going to give you confidence in the product that you offer your customers. Now, they also have an extensive supplier network, so that's going to help you find unique and really niche products that can help you differentiate yourself from your competitors. Now let's talk about pricing, because I'm sure you're interested in that. So as you can see, they have 3 different plans right here, and you can actually register for all of them for free using the link in the description. So the cheapest plan is the store integrations for $38 a month. The next one is for get a dropship store, that's $50 a month. And lastly, it's called download product data, and that's $60 a month. And so you can see what's included in all of them. You have lots of different integrations. In this one, you can actually get them to build a store for you, so that's going to save you a lot of time and effort. And then this last one is mostly for developers, where you get access to CSV files, XML files, and WTB API as well. Now, if you actually decide to go with the yearly plan, you'll save 25%. So I would recommend going with that, starting with the cheapest plan, or just registering for free and see if you like it. So as I mentioned earlier, let's talk about integration and automation. Wholesale2b integrates seamlessly with pretty much all the major e-commerce platforms that you can think of, like BigCommerce, Shopify, WooCommerce, and eBay, as well as marketplaces like Amazon. Now, the platform offers robust automation features that can streamline the dropshipping process for you, including real-time inventory updates, automated order processing, and automatic tracking number uploads. You can actually set up custom rules for order fulfillment to make sure that the process is efficient and accurate. This is going to save you a lot of time, so you don't have to do this manually. Let's talk about their user interface and experience. So the user interface of Wholesale2b is quite good. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for both beginners and experienced dropshippers to navigate and manage their stores. The dashboard is going to give you a good comprehensive overview of the operations that you can do, and you can also customize the dashboard to highlight the most important metrics and tasks that you want to keep track of. They also have detailed tutorials and tooltips and guides to help you get the most out of the platform, so that's going to make things a lot easier for you as well. Let's talk about customer support. So Wholesale2b offers excellent customer support in a variety of different ways. You can actually contact live support, and they are available 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. You'd have to log into your account and chat with them. You can also submit a ticket once you log into your account, and there's also a learning center with tons of information to help you get started. Let's talk about shipping and delivery. So Wholesale2b provides a variety of shipping options, and they work with reliable carriers to make sure everything happens on time and in a secure way. Wholesale2b supports automated and advanced shipping features like shipping tracking and notifications. They also allow you to keep your customers informed about the status of their orders. You can also choose between multiple shipping methods, including standard, expedited, and international. So this is going to give your customers more flexibility as well. Let's talk about market research and analytics. So Wholesale2b offers advanced market research and analytics tools to help you make informed decisions. They also have have detailed reports and analytics dashboards to track key performance indicators like sales volume, revenue, and profit margins. You can also analyze supplier performance and identify high performing products. So this is going to help you focus on the products that make you the most money so that you can grow your revenue as well as your profit in your business. Now let's talk about returns and refund management. So Wholesale2b simplifies the return and refund management process with really strict and clear policies that you can set forth. Wholesale2b also provides tools to help you create and manage your own return policies that align with your business practices and the expectations of your customers. Now, having good return management is really crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and just generally not pissing people off. Let's talk about trust and security. Wholesale2b employs robust security measures to protect your user data. So your data as well as your customer data, their transactions, stuff like that. They stay up to date and they're compliant with the industry standards, and they're always updating their systems to keep up. Let's talk about the value added services. Wholesale2b has lots of different features that they offer. They also include marketing tools to help you promote your store and drive traffic to your store, like SEO optimization and email marketing integrations. Overall, it's really value-packed services, lots of tools to help you be competitive with your e-commerce business. Now at this point, if you're not happy with the way your business is running, you have two options, and I made a little meme here to drive my point home. Let me just zoom in because I'm too cheap to purchase this. So as you can see here, you've got two options. You can be this guy or you can be the Chad. So what's the difference here? Well, the Chad runs his business like a machine using cutting edge tools to free up his time. He works on his business, not in it, right? Chad is the guy who, if he sees a great software or a great tool to add automation to his business, if he can free up his time, he's going to do it. He doesn't want to use clunky software that breaks. He doesn't want to have to manually add data or, make changes and things like that. He doesn't want to have to manually issue refunds on his own, like at 3 a.m. in the morning, right? He sets up systems. What does this guy do? Well, he does manual labor because he's too lazy to use high leverage platforms. He's basically a slave to his own business, right? His business, he's working in his business, basically an employee. He doesn't actually run the business. He's just working in the business because he doesn't have automations. He's not using powerful softwares and leverage tools to free up his time and run the business on autopilot. So you can decide which one you want to be. If you're not happy with the way your business is running, if your tools are clunky, I would recommend being the Chad and making a change. I've included all relevant links in the description of this video so you can check them out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.